Yeah, it's been really cool to be on the road, seeing the reaction from all the different cities that we've had. We're on our 5th city right now. Every single one is sold out, so it's been amazing to see the XRP holders. And the XRP Army is very excited because the price is just going astronomical. We had nothing to do with that, but it is like truly XRP is unleashed right now.
So blockchain presents an opportunity to level the playing field and have us control our content, our metadata, and all of the messaging that supports that. Well, guess what else is messaging? Value, payments. And the XRP ledger has been decentralized since the beginning.
I just figure I see this space, it's brand new. I jumped in, and I think for a lot of people it's just the freedom fact that you can actually get into these assets early and really make a change in your life.
My journey here started back in 2019. I got led into crypto, first went to Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then I got into precious metals, and then I found out about XRP, and I found out how valuable it was, the technology, the design of it, what it was going to do. It blew me away.
So if you take all that stuff away, you take people's livelihoods and you take their money away.
I was getting prosecuted and I couldn't say anything, but I was watching what this decentralized justice that everybody was doing, and I didn't have a voice to speak about it because of my prosecution, but I wanted so much to scream out and say, no, that's not what's happening. You guys don't understand what's really happening. And then I was able, thank the Lord, I was able to get a federal indictment dismissed.